Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. How to get fair, smooth, glowing, beautiful skin and long healthy hairs easily and quickly. I will tell you skin care tips and hair care tips. Here are top benefits as well as top rose water use for skin and hair. Rose water helps hydrate, revitalize and moisturize the skin, giving it with that refreshed look. Due to its antibacterial properties, rose water also aids in healing scars, cuts, and wounds. The antioxidant properties of rose water help to strengthen skin cells and regenerate skin tissues. Rose water helps clean pores and tone the skin. It rids you of feeling of anxiety and promotes emotional well-being, thereby making you feel more relaxed. The scent of the rose water on your pillow also helps you sleep better after a long day, making you wake up refreshed. It also helps aging skin, keeping fine lines and wrinkles away. How to use rose water? 10 use of rose water. The best and easiest ways to use water at night to clean all impurities the face has collected through the day. Other surprising use are so quick and easy. Separates away. A great way to use rose water is by separating it on your face. Rose water can also be sprayed over makeup to work as makeup setting spray. Mix equal parts of rose water and glycerine. Apply with the help of a cotton pads and massage for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it stay another 30 minutes and wash off with shampoo. To get rid of frizzy and dry hairs easily. Facial cleanser. Rose water can be used as facial cleanser for all skin types. After wash your face, all you have to do is add a few drops of glycerine to 1 tablespoon of rose water and apply it on your face. No more tied eyes. If you have tied inflamed eyes, soak a cotton pad in chilled rose water and apply. It will help to reduce puffiness under the eye and get rid of redness. Hair conditioner. After shampooing, use a cup of rose water as a final rinse. It helps you to condition the hairs deeply, adding a healthy shine you will just love. Facial toner. Wet a softened cotton ball with chilled rose water and dab it on a cleansed skin. It will help tighten the pores and gently tone the skin. Remove acne. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of rose water. Apply it on acne skin for 30 minutes. Wash with fresh water. Makeup remover. Rose water is the best makeup remover ever. Add a few drops of coconut oil to the rose water on a cotton pad and cleanse your face. It will wipe off makeup and nourish your skin deeply at the same time. Fair and Lovely. 2 tablespoons of camphor and mix it with 1 teaspoon of rose water and lemon juice and make a smooth paste. Apply for 15 minutes to get rid of tanning. Pamper yourself with rose water. Mix rose water with almond oil or a regular cream and a moisturizer. Moisturize your body with it. Take a rose water scented bath. It's considered the best antidote to the stress. These are my tried and tested skincare and hair care rose water methods. Subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. Share and like this video. एक बार जिब्राईल अलैहिस्सलाम ने अर्ज़ की कि या अल्लाह, मैं तेरी इबादत करना चाहता हूँ। अल्लाह अज़्ज़ व जल ने फरमाया कि कर लो। उन्होंने 2 रकत नमाज अदा की और ऐसी नमाज अदा की कि 40 साल के बाद सलाम फेरा। अल्लाह ने फरमाया, तुमने बहुत अच्छी नमाज पढ़ी, लेकिन एक उम्मत ऐसी आने वाली है जिसकी फ़जर की नमाज की 2 सुन्नतें तेरी इस नमाज से बढ़कर होंगी। This is the end of the video. Bye.